Fusion Power is your one-stop solution. Welcome to another Fusion Power presentation of Adobe Photoshop, the workhorse of Adobe. Alright, we're going to be building composites from Adobe Photoshop. Composites is just layers of images to produce one high quality photo, but we do it in layers here. Alright, so let me show you layer number one. Layer number one, we're going to start out with a laptop. Alright, note the name of this laptop, no big deal. Note this down here, keep the theme in mind, ThinkPad. Alright, now notice layer number two. Alright, this was pre-built already. Okay, I want you to notice the different layers in here. Alright, one layer, two layer, three layer, four layer, five layer, six layer, seven layer. The background is 8 layers. Okay, and don't forget the laptop. Alright, now moving along to layer number three, the background. Alright, we got a black background here, yellow strip here, and a gray. 3 layers on one background. Alright, which takes us up to layer number 4. This is what we call surrealism. We want to make this picture and the inside really pop. Notice the depth of field on layer number 4. So it seems like the water from within this layer is spilling out on the outside of the laptop. That adds a unique effect of surrealism here. Alright, now notice layer number 5. Layer number 5, okay, a little boy. Notice how the blend is right here. The water and the angle in which he is in the water. Notice the young lady's eyes. Notice me. Cell phone right there. Okay, but look at the perspective between the young lady and me. Like I'm in the background basically, and she in the forefront. Alright. Now, moving on to layer number 6. Layer number 6. A puppy also looking forward. Okay, everybody is looking forward basically. Alright, unique. Notice layer number 7. Why do we need water with all this water? A bottle of water right next to the word ThinkPad, on the edge of ThinkPad. And this composite would not be complete unless the author put his name somewhere. The Hut Man. You've been hanging out with Fusion Power, Adobe presentation, illustrating this power. Bye now.